Hola, buenos días. Welcome to la clase de español. Hoy la clase es sobre los números. Y bueno, quiero presentar los números y luego, and then, quiero presentar ideas para practicar los números. So if you want to skip ahead, then you can do that. Just go to this point en el video. Bien, comenzamos. Hay 5 grupos de números. The first one, 1 to 10. So actually 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bien. El segundo grupo, which is really useful to be able to count up, is just counting in tens. So we would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And of course, counting es una buena forma de practicar los números. The next group is 11 to 20. So this really splits into dos grupos. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's one group. Y 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bien? Okay, on to the third group, the third main group, which is 21 to 30. This might be the fourth group, is it? Fourth group. See, 21 to 30. So this is a separate group. So we have 20, that's 20, and then 21, all one word. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And the last group is 30 to 99, and this follows a formula, so we're okay. We've got the word for 30, 30, the word for and then the word for one, and so on. 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and so on. So you would have 42, so on. 52, 62, 72, is that where we're up to? 82, 92. And it's quite a good idea just to count, just to say, okay, I'm going to go from 3 to 93 and count in tens. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, my favorite number, one of them, 53, 63, 73, I always lose count. I'm rubbish at counting. Okay, so let's go to some otras ideas para practicar los números, especially for people like me who aren't very good at counting. So one of the ideas that I quite like, me gusta usar los números para las matemáticas básicas. So type in random number generator. So I've typed it in. I've got this number, which is 88. And then I'm interested in cuánto necesito para sumar hasta 100. So to make it up to 100, which is the word for 100, necesito 12. And this is how I say the sum. 88 más 12 son 100. ¿Vale? Another example. 81. ¿Cuánto necesito? 19. 81 más 19 son 100. Okay, you get the picture. 24. Necesito 76, ¿verdad? 24 más 76 son 100. Careful with that 70, which is 70, and 60, which is 60. ¿Vale? Okay. Another way that we can practicar los números is by going to your teléfono. Los números de teléfono en español are given in pairs. So if I went to mi número de teléfono, por ejemplo, 0, 1, 66, 58, 38, 42, 50. Something like that. Okay, so they're given in pairs. So you can go to your teléfono móvil, go to your telephone numbers, your address book, whatever it's called, and read los números en español. Es una idea para practicar los números. If you have pasos, you can do actividad 18, 19 y 20 y 21 on página 28. This is in chapter 2, 2E. So it's listening to dialogues, listening to people ask for el número de teléfono. ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? A girl who my friend liked asked him for his número de teléfono in a nightclub, and he said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And he didn't get together with that girl. Another way para practicar los números is la edad. La edad means the age. So this is the last thing we'll do today. To ask somebody's age, it's ¿cuántos años tienes? That's the informal way, because normalmente, you don't ask unless you're in una situación informal, supongo. Great word, supongo. It means I suppose. I love it. Supongo. Bueno, so en la próxima clase, we're going to do los números un poquito más. When you start to talk about years, you en español, you say 1972. So, números más grandes en la próxima clase. Tenemos muchas ideas que se puede usar para practicar los números. I hope you enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed este video, esta clase. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to the channel y nos vemos pronto. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.